Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Roblox wallpaper. First, launch Roblox Studio and select a game or place that inspires you. Carefully arrange your character and any props to create a visually appealing scene. Once everything is set, take a high-resolution screenshot. This initial image will serve as the foundation for your personalized wallpaper, ensuring crisp detail for the next steps. Now, bring your screenshot into your preferred photo editing software. Crop the image to fit your screen's aspect ratio, commonly 16:9, to avoid distortion. Experiment with color correction, brightness, and contrast to make your image pop. You can also add unique filters or overlays. Don't forget to include your Roblox username or other custom graphics for a truly personal touch. Once your masterpiece is complete, save it as a high-quality PNG or JPEG file to preserve all the details. Next, access your computer's display settings. Locate the option to change your desktop background and browse to where you saved your custom Roblox image. Select it, and make sure the display setting is set to Fill or Fit for optimal presentation. For the best results, always capture your initial screenshots on a high-resolution monitor. Play around with various camera angles and in-game lighting within Roblox Studio to achieve dramatic effects. Don't be afraid to explore different photo editing software. Each offers unique features. Finally, share your amazing custom Roblox wallpapers with your friends and the wider Roblox community to inspire others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.